Hi guys, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito nga, post ng Barda Official, second version of Barda McDo TV commercial, Happy Barda Day. Let's watch this.
Hindi mabibitin?
Hindi ko kulangin. Sa extra rice, sarap ulam, daming sauce ng McSaver sulit busog meals. 99 pesos lang.
Dapat pala subuan to, kaya lang kinain din lahat ni Barbie, grabe. At next is another post by Barda Official and Buzz. Happy Barda Day, abangan ng post namin 6 PM tonight. At guys, ito na yung kanilang video na pinost kaninang 6 PM. Let's watch this.
From the very... Okay. Okay. Ready? Yes. Okay. Hi, mga lalaki talaga.
I'm very sweet. Nice to meet you. It's just like a live streaming. Yeah. Easy. 3, 2, 1.
Chamba kayo! Manihimik na kayo! Manihimik kayo! Chamba! So the start is...
Sana lang. Okay po.
Fit and action.
Sa Buzz, madaling mag-push to talk. Hi, Ma! Download Buzz now.
Grabe, nagre-record pa lang sila ng audio pero napaka-expressive na ng ni Barbie. Parang nag-acting na siya talaga. Kahit na voice recording lang, grabe. Yung facial expressions na din na, guys.
Sa Buzz, masaya ang group chats. Girls, see you tonight. Download Buzz now. Okay. Ready? Sa Buzz, masaya ang group chats. Girls, see you tonight. Download Buzz now. One more? Okay. Sa Buzz, masaya ang group chats. Girls, see you tonight. Download Buzz now. Buzz converts, yun na po ba yun? Buzz converts voice to text in silent mode. Buzz converts voice to text in silent mode. Buzz converts voice to text in silent mode. Miss kita. Download Buzz now. One more. Buzz converts voice to text in silent mode. Miss kita. Download Buzz now.
No. Mau gimana?
And then, on my
Sorry,
then I can walk with you.
Grabe, tawang-tawa talaga si Barbie sa ang kanta ni David ng Silent Night. Dik natural na natural.
Action! Okay. Out. Yeah, walk out.
Thank you. Very natural. Oh, thank you.
Diba grabe? Pati yung mga yung mga crew and staff nung yung bus sa Thailand, talagang pinuri si Barbie. Very natural daw. Napakagaling naman kasi talaga. Best actress yan, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. And sometimes you look each other. Nice. Nice. And Bobby, you can use this hand. Hello.
Hawag ka na ba? Kantahan kita. Para at least, parang magkasama pa rin tayo. Kanta. Okay. Silent night, Ano kain? Lyrics?
Grabe. Pati lyrics na Silent Night, hindi alam ni David. Ano ba yan? Charot lang.
Okay. All is calm. All is bright. Download Buzz now. Tumahimik kayo! Tumahimik na kayo! Tumahimik kayo! Tumahimik kayo!
Grabe, ang pula ng lips niya, no? Tsaka namumula din yung tenga. Yung cute.
And action. See you soon! Usap tayo soon! Buzz me soon? Buzz me soon? Buzz me soon? Usap tayo with Buzz?
Di pa. Malayo pa nga eh. Okay. See you soon. Buzz me soon. I-buzz mo na siya. Buzz me soon.
Frog.
Frog. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, we all are. Thank you. Thank you.
Hindi ko marinig kung bakit we all are si Barbie. Masyado maingay.
Buzz converts voice to text in silent mode. Miss kita. Download Buzz now.
Buzz, voice connects.
At next naman ay Instagram post ni That Guy Simon, yung pinsan ni David Licauco. Let's watch this.
What can I say? I like living life. Isa ako sa mga taong hindi mapakali ng nasa bahay lang, and I really like meeting up with friends.
So ayun na nga, mga mga pinsan niya sa mother side. At ayan na nga si Simon C. Simon C nga ba yung pangalan niya? Ewan. Anyway, kaya nga natin kinuha dahil nandito si cute na si David. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more bird updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!